Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about the topic of the database and DBMS. So we will discuss the introduction of database and DBMS. First of all, we will discuss about the database. What is the database? Database is an organized collection of data. It helps us to enter, manage, access and analyze a large amount of information quickly and efficiently. We will discuss about the database by the example. We all use the database in our daily life. How? We maintain our personal address diary. This is the example of the database. Wherein we record address and telephone numbers of our friends. We maintain the information alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we could browse and extract the information quickly. And one more example, telephone diary, a dictionary, maintaining a list of the students and their addresses. These are the example of the database. Now, why we need the database and DBMS file? We know very well it is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of the records, as the chances of committing error increase. A DBMS means database management system. DBMS means database management system. Is a computerized record keeping system that enables you to create a store, modify and extract information from a database. The main function of DBMS is to provide the user the efficient and reliable method of data retrieval, and more over is reduce the chances of error creeping into the database to great extent. These data types are the two types. One is the flat file, second is the relational database file. What is a flat file? A flat file database refers to the data file and that contain records which have a small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. For example, MS Excel. And another database file, relation database file. A relation database stores the data in several tables and links those tables together to get a common piece of information. For example, MS Access, MS SQL or Oracles. Now we will discuss about the structure of database. First of all, we will discuss what is the structures. A database contains a specific structure to store the data. This structure of the database needed the four types of the elements. One is the table, second is the query, third is the form, and fourth is the report. And these tables are the three types of the elements. This table have a three type of the elements. One is the fields, second is the record, and third is the data. So first of all, we will discuss about the fields. What are the fields? All the columns in a tables are called a field. A field describes a particular attributes of all the records in a tables. And for example, student roll number, student name. So like these are the things in the fields. Heading, just like. Now, second is the record. The row in a table are called the record. According to the field, when you will give the information, that is called the record. And next is the data. A set of the character that represent a valid value is known as data. You can see your book also, a table. Inside your table is given roll number, name, a student record is given, roll number, father name, and three subject also marks. These roll number and names and subject, these are the fields, and 1, 2, 3, these are the records, and you are seeing the data's name, roll numbers, English subject marks, math subject marks. These are the datas. Now we will discuss about the queries. What is the queries? A database stores vast amount of the data, but queries help us to retrieve the filtered data based upon some conditions. These queries are also used to perform actions such as we can delete the file, we can update the files. And forms. Next is forms. Forms are user friendly interface that facilitate the process of entering the data in tables and queries. A form has an attractive interface that accepts the data from the users. And now next is the report. What is a report? Reports are used to display the selected data in a printable format. Reports collect the summarized data from one or more tables, queries, and organize in a printable forms. Okay. Now our topic is types of the database and structure of the database is completed, and the next topic we will discuss about what is the Microsoft Access. Okay, thank you.